Hi all and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So just a quick video tonight. I've just got back filming videos again. I've had a bit of a break. But yeah, my Nord 2, it's going to be going over the next couple of days. I'm trading it in so that I can buy out my contract and get a Samsung Galaxy S22. So I've already got my Speaking Tough armor case for it there. And there's some things I'm going to miss about this guy. I love the warp charge, 65 watt charge. It charges the phone from 0% to 100 in 30 minutes. The only thing I'd say about that though, I don't know what impact that has on the battery because it's charging the phone so quick. And I found my battery life, it's got quite bad. I've only had the phone since last August. I do use Bluetooth constantly because I've got this Samsung watch, so it could be that the Bluetooth's killing the battery a bit more. But even so, I'm only getting 3.5 hours of screen on time, which isn't a lot. Yeah, you've got the 65 watt warp charge that's topping the phone up quickly, but yeah, that's one issue. The battery's gone a bit poor. But the other thing that's really bad for me, so this I think really for me guys is unacceptable. So it's still on Android 11 since launch in August last year, and I don't think I'd buy a OnePlus phone again because of that. I think that's really bad. I know Android 12 has been rumoured since February this year, but it's still not got it. I know the OnePlus 9 has, but it's really put me off. You know, you want the latest version of Android, and yeah, it's been a bit of a disappointment. I still really recommend this phone if you can get it lower than the 399 RRP. If you can get it like £300, $300, it is an awesome phone. The main camera, really good. It's on par with the Google Pixel 4a, which I tested a lot on my channel. It is a lovely premium feeling phone. It's a plastic back. It's a plastic back. It's not glass, basically, but you know it feels like it. It's not aluminium around the sides, but again, it's not an £800 phone or $1,000 phone. It's a £400 phone. The fingerprint unlocks really quick. The face unlocks really good as well. Speakers are loud. Nice AMOLED screen. But yeah, like I say, guys, unfortunately, end of the road for this one. It's a nice phone, but I'm moving on to the Galaxy S22. Talking of battery, the battery's probably not going to be amazing on that because they're quite small, 3,700 milliamp hours. But yeah, I just fancy a proper flagship phone that's going to have the right software. You know, I miss the Edge panel as well on Samsung's. I really like that. So it'd be nice to get that back. It'll play nice with my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And yeah, there you go, guys. So it's a goodbye to the OnePlus Nord 2. It's been a really good phone, and you know I have enjoyed using it. But if you know me, if you've watched my content, I don't keep phones for 2 years or 3 years. You know, I'm generally going to flip the phone, you know, within a year. All right, guys. So tell me what you think about this one. Like I say, been a great phone, but moving on to bigger and better things. Well, smaller things actually. This is a 6.4-inch screen. The Galaxy S22 is a 6.1-inch screen. Tell me what you think about my choice. Am I right to go for the S22? Should I have gone for the S22 Plus? I didn't want to spend that much money. I'm already spending about £700-800, you know, over the life of the contract I'm going for. But yeah, I think the S22, the camera is awesome on it. It's got some shortcomings, like I say, the battery. It should have a QHD display for the money, like the S22 Ultra, but you know, I think it's going to be a good phone. I didn't want to go for an iPhone because there'll be a new one out in September, which isn't very far away. And I love Android. I'd like to have an iPhone and an Android phone, but yeah, there you go. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. I'm going to bring you, you know, much more phone content when I can. And hit me up in the comments as always. I'll see you on the next one. Tech Anorak out. Take care.